Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make money promoting apps? Let me show you how to join Tapmob in less than a minute. Step 1. Go to tapmob.io, then enter. You will see that says join now button, then click it. Next fill in your basic information like name, email, and your preferred platform like TikTok or Instagram. Submit your application and wait for approval. It usually takes a day or two. Once approved, log in, grab your unique links, and start promoting apps to earn money. That's it. Fast, simple, and free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.